Morning, we are elevating your basic salad by using Asian-inspired flavors. We're going to make a phenomenal salad, and then we're going to make a side dish here. With me is registered dietitian Gina Sunderland. Gina, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Good morning, Raheem.
When I think of salad, sometimes I think of a little bit of a meal, then I get hungry in 20 minutes again. How do we avoid that?
Well, these Asian chicken noodle salad bowls are delicious, and they're filling because you start with those matchstick rice noodles.
Okay.
And you can put in as much as you want. I love these because it's super customizable, and both of the recipes we're making today, you can use leftover grilled chicken, or if hot in the summer, you don't want to heat up your house, go and buy a rotisserie chicken.
Absolutely, yeah.
So easy to add in that chicken without overheating your house. So I like to think of these two ideas as like super cool, chill summer meals.
Absolutely.
I love salads, especially in the summer. So I've just started out by getting the noodles cooked. And you know how easy it is to make the rice noodles. You pour boiling water over them, a minute later and they're ready. And
it's a nice change from regular lettuce. It mixes it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do we go about it?
Okay.
Is it just kind of plug and play here?
Well, I've got one shown here, and you know, the sky's the limit. I love this, and my kids love this because everyone can add the things that they want. So I love these little snow snack peas. They're delicious. And we've got, of course, that leftover chicken. So we did a barbecue last night, and this is leftover grilled chicken breast. Super way to repurpose it. And it's so easy because I'll get this ready the night before, so when I get home from work, it's all ready to go. So this is a recipe from the Manitoba chicken producers, and it was hard for me to pick because there is just so many recipes on the website at manitobachicken.ca, literally hundreds of great recipes, but this is one of my favorites because it's so colorful and it's so delicious.
What I like about this kind of food is the fact that when you kind of have the vegetables out and all that, first of all, the kids are into it, right? Because they get to kind of customize and make their own. But it also makes it easier. You don't feel like, oh, I need to go about and go through so much prep work to actually make food. You're not tempted to eat out.
No, it definitely keeps you from the drive-through window because I know that's something we might tend to do when it's so hot outside. And the dressing is delicious. It's a little bit of hoisin sauce, sweet chili sauce, fresh lime, which gives it that beautiful pop. And you can add as much or as little. And I just love the fact that the color just comes right out.
Oh, it's great.
And it's delicious.
Right. Now, once you're done with the salad, we have this beautiful dish over here. What are we making
Well, this
here?
can be a great snack. It can be a great lunch or even a light supper. So this is open-faced chicken and brie sandwich melt.
I love it.
And you know what we do with this one? We actually put it in a foil pan and we melt the cheese on the barbecue, so we're not heating up the house.
Perfect.
So super easy.
Yeah, here, why don't I pass you a couple pieces? There
Thank you. Yeah, so you just start out with a little bit of mayonnaise with 1 clove of fresh garlic minced into that mayonnaise for flavor.
Okay, so I got the mayo on now.
Me too. So now, again, I've got some leftover rotisserie chicken. Just slice the chicken breast. It goes on so easily.
I like the fact about these meals is that you're repurposing chicken so that you're just, they're easy recipes.
And you know, my kids make these themselves all the time. They'll have friends over, they'll put these together. I brought these out to my brother and sister-in-law's cottage. We had them dockside because it really just takes a few minutes. And you know what, my whole family, we love brie cheese. It's a nice flavor.
Once you put the brie on top, does it take long to melt? Once you put it
no, you know what? If you use your oven on broil, it's probably about 2 or 3 minutes just until the cheese melts, so you can see how it's melted.
Then you put a little cranberry sauce on there?
Yeah, and you can use a tart jam. We love like a cranberry sauce because there's that nice contrasting flavor. And I have all kinds of great herbs in my garden at this time of year, so I put a little bit of fresh thyme on there, and these are easy and they're delicious.
Perfect. Gina, thanks so much, and we'll have all the recipes on our website.